Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today I'm sharing this delicious egg recipe with you guys. And I'm using 8 eggs for this recipe. Just pour in all my dyes, vegetables and seasonings. Put it together, then I'm gonna be frying it. This recipe is just so easy to put together. If you don't have time, you can as well buy already sliced or diced vegetable at the supermarket. Now I just added salt to it, powder seasoning, then I'm gonna beat it together, then I'm gonna fry. It's so yummy. So add a little bit of cooking oil to my pan. I'm using pancake pan for this. Pour it in, spread it really good on the pan. So one side is ready and I'm gonna flip it. That is it. Fry the other side is ready. Wow, looks delicious and looks colorful as well. So I'm going to be frying the other batch. Don't forget to like. This recipe is so delicious. Subscribe to my YouTube as well and share. Thank you for joining and watching this video. I'm going to be enjoying it with coconut jollof rice. The second one is ready. Now it's time, eating time. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and I hope you try it as well. It's so delicious. Thank you for watching. And you are all invited to my table. This jollof rice is delicious as well. Oh, it's sweet dye. All the flavor, you just taste it. The coconut, it is so yummy.